Akshay, Drew, and I present PolyDocs, smart documents for smart contracts. Our hack has two main parts. The first is a signing micro app that lives on IPFS, referenceable using an IPFS URL, which guarantees that every time someone's looking at it, they're looking at the exact same renderer, and whatever data comes into it will produce the same output. This renderer makes use of a template that is also stored on IPFS, as well as information that's sitting on the blockchain as of a specific block height on the smart contract. That way, it's always the same document. In this way, the document can be simultaneously dynamic because it's made of code and uses a template, and also immutable because of IPFS and the fact that we're referencing things as of a given block height. In addition, we created PolyDocs.xyz, an editor that allows people to both edit templates and also set up their smart contracts to use a specific template and to set terms that will get filled in Mad Lib style into that contract in order to make it work properly. One of the magical things about integrating with both IPFS and the Polygon blockchain in a standards-complying way is that we can integrate it with the services people use today to interact with the blockchain and digital assets. Here's a demo of how a PolyDocs-enabled contract works with OpenSea and an NFT collection.
Account and try to buy it. Connected. And now this should fail. It's failing because we haven't signed the docs. So let's try to sign the docs. Down now, and it's agreed to the terms. And now we go and try to buy it off this account because we don't own it now. And let's try to buy it. Done. So we signed the docs and we were able to buy an NFT.
There's definitely work to be done and so much potential to be realized in the PolyDocs project. Longer term, there's an opportunity to create the DocuSign for Web3, except not as yet another centralized service, but as a decentralized protocol where we create standards for how signatures and signed documents can be trustable, so that people don't need to be wondering, how is the lawyer trying to pull one over on me, but instead know they're working with one of a standard template of documents, a standard renderer for that template. And the only question is going to be, what are the terms that are being mixed in by the individual contract? This will allow us to increase trust and create commitment enforceable not just by code, but also by law. We're grateful to ETH Global, Protocol Labs, and all our sponsors, volunteers, and especially our fellow hackers for helping us get smarter about this cool technology. We're excited about where we can go with PolyDocs in the area of building trustable documents and agreements in Web3.